Google TV versus Roku TV. Which smart TV platform is best for you? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a new smart TV, you've probably come across two major players. One is Google TV and the other is Roku TV. But how do they actually stack up against each other, and which one suits your needs better? In this video, we're comparing both platforms side by side so you can decide with confidence. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about Google TV. Google TV delivers a modern, intelligent interface that adapts to you. The homepage is packed with personalized suggestions pulled from your viewing history and preferences across apps. It's like your own smart entertainment hub. One of its biggest strengths is that Google Assistant integration. With just your voice, you can search your titles, control playback, and even operate compatible smart home devices. No remote needed. When it comes to app support, Google TV doesn't disappoint. You get access to all the popular streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more, plus the entire Google Play Store, opening up a massive library of apps and games. And let's not forget about the built-in Chromecast support. Casting content from your phone or laptop to your TV is fast, easy, and seamless. The pros are that it has personalized viewing experience powered by AI, hands-free voice commands with Google Assistant, access to a huge app ecosystem via Google Play, and native Chromecast support. But the cons are that it may require better hardware for smooth operations, could feel a bit complex for those who want something straightforward. Now, let's talk about Roku TV. If simplicity is what you're after, Roku TV is made for you. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and puts all your favorite streaming apps right up in front with minimal distractions. Roku supports all big streaming names too, from Disney Plus to Hulu and HBO Max. What sets it apart is the Roku channel, which offers a wide selection of free ad-supported movies and shows, no login or subscription needed. Roku also includes voice search through its remote, but it's not quite as advanced as what Google offers. Still, for casual users, it works just fine. The pros are that it is straightforward and beginner-friendly interface, tons of free content via the Roku channel, broad support for major streaming apps, consistently fast even on affordable TVs. But the cons are that it has fewer smart features than Google TV, no native app store like Google Play, lacks individual user profile. So which one should you pick? If you want smart suggestions and smart features, go with Google TV. And if you want simple, easy to use interface, go with Roku TV. If you gotta use Google ecosystem integration, of course, you gotta use Google TV, and if you want speed and reliability on budget TVs, use Roku TV. And you gotta choose Google TV if you want built-in voice control and smart home. And the last but not least, you can use Roku TV if you want access to free movies and shows. And at the end of the day, both platforms are solid. It really comes down to what you value most. Google TV shines with smart features and deep personalization, while Roku TV excels at keeping things simple and user-friendly, especially for non-tech savvy viewers. So drop a comment below and let me know which one would you go for, Google or Roku. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more gadget and tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next video.